Candidates are hiding their past service history. And HR people, they are struggling to handle this issue. Okay? People are not showing their past service history. And based on trust on candidates, HR people rising the onboarding process and background verification. End of the day, the result is failed. Okay? After 28 days only, they are recognizing candidates hide their past service history. To address this scenario, now when you share your resume, HR people will upload your resume in the background verification portal. So when you fill up your background verification form, candidate could not enter your past experience. It will be fetched from your resume. Okay. When you share your resume to your recruiter will upload that resume in the company portal. So your background verification form, digital form, will fetch your information from your resume only. Candidate cannot enter your experience while filling up your background verification form. So that it will be easily recognized you are hiding some experience, so that they will drop your onboarding process. Okay. To save the time, people are using this methodology. So please be clear. Don't hide your past service history. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.